So, hi Tabish. How's your stay been here in Chandigarh so far?
Oh, it's been awesome. Thank you so much. I think this is the first time that somebody's done so much out of the way. Who's a full-fledged entrepreneur? Where do you actually get somebody who runs their own business, has scaled it to a very good extent, not just runs one but runs multiple businesses, and still has the humility to come all the way to the airport to pick me up. So thank you so much. I think it was wonderful.
Thank you, Tabish. You have been kind, and I wanted you to tell us why you are here, so that the people here listening to this one know. And second of all, how do you feel in Chandigarh? How do you feel about the city, the ecosystem, those things?
So I think one of my biggest motivations to come and attend Icon here is that TIE is really a group which brings entrepreneurs together so that they can learn from each other. They share their successes, they share their challenges, and that's how you really learn about entrepreneurship, right? So I'm from a background where I focus on a lot of education for entrepreneurs so that you don't go through the pitfalls and difficult times just by yourself, right? You need somebody to help you and give you the understanding. And what better place to learn than joining a full community of people like that? So I was invited. So I'm from Thai Pune chapter, and I got invited to come over here and do a master class, which I thoroughly enjoyed. We had a full room yesterday, and I think it is all about giving back to the
Hmm.
community. So
True.
my whole intention was how can we add value to people who are actually creating a rippling effect of empowering and creating jobs, creating wealth, and doing what they can best.
Hmm. So true.
So I think that's the idea.
And Tabish, for the audience, if you can quickly introduce yourself as well, because I, anyways, know you now, but others might not know you. And
Sure.
what do you do, and how you help people like me?
So I think the best way to introduce me is to say that while I'm the founder of Expanders Business Coaching Private Limited, uh, I I think I love doing work in teaching. My family comes from a teaching background, and I think once, as a lady, I've always learned this, that once you educate somebody, and you educate a woman, you educate a full generation.
Hmm. True.
And I deeply believe in that. And when you empower education and learning to somebody, you are shifting their lifestyle, you're shifting their thinking, you're shifting their personality. So I come from that thinking background really, and I wanted to move away from my corporate life, which I had lived for 20 years. And I saw my husband's journey as an entrepreneur, and it was a very difficult one.
Hmm.
And I said, as a first generation entrepreneur, he had gone through the learning himself. So I thought, how can we shorten this cycle?
Hmm.
So I, went out. I work with a company called Action Coach as their franchise outlet here in India.
Hmm.
But it's about how do you empower entrepreneurs with education, learning, and skill development.
Right. Right.
So I actually work with entrepreneurs to help them understand how do you build your business model, how do you do your strategizing around sales, around marketing. Finance is such a big subject which a lot of us don't bring that knowledge up front when we get started in business. So I explain and handhold them on understanding everything about revenue, profitability, cash flows. Look at where the leakages are in the company and try and plug them so that you will be able to get more take home, more net profits at the end of the day.
Hmm.
So that's the area that I work with, and I think the entrepreneurs need that hand holding. I think every single business needs a coach,
Right. I
and
agree.
that's my job. I'm a business coach.
Okay. And how did you feel about the ecosystem? So I have seen you meeting people around networking and even in the event and outside. So how do you feel about the ecosystem and the people who are here in the current like Chandigarh ecosystem, I would say?
I think we have a very good mix of both. We have this startup community as well, and you have some really seasoned businesses.
Hmm.
And then what I saw was that the senior business community is so open and willing to share their learning with the startup community who are just taking off their journey,
Mhm.
and that is happening very well.
Okay.
So I think it was an extremely good vibe. Overall, very high energy level in the entire community here. So I love being here.
Alright. That is all for today's our little talk, which I wanted to have on the camera so that the audience knows more about you and how you felt about our the TiECon event in Chandigarh.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so much.
for being here.
Thank you for having me here.